fall bout, 30-minute time limit. Introducing first.
Now, those of you idiots who don't know, didn't make their way out to Warner Robins, Georgia last show, let me let you in on something. And new. IWN heavyweight champion. He's real, he's raw, he's me, August Artois. Now this message goes out to anybody in the back, anybody who feels that they're man enough, especially you, Shoot Taylor. Step up, because I don't think not a single one of you got what it takes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you saw that video. You see August Artois just issued an open challenge, and hoping Shoot Taylor accepts. However, coming to the ring, it looks like the students are back. This time looking like student number 2. And here he is, ladies and gentlemen, your champion, August Artois. I don't know why the fans are booing the champion. They should be applauding this man. Look at that belt. Look at the physique. Look at the hair. I mean, this guy is great. And fans just throwing thumbs down, booing him. What's wrong with these fans here at Warner Robins?
Ladies and gentlemen, this contest for the IWN Championship with television time remaining. Introducing our first competitor, he's the challenger. He is Student 1. His opponent is the current reigning, defending IWN champion. He is a 13-month veteran. He's real. He's raw. He's August Artois. One fall, television time remaining.
So, open challenge underway, IWN Championship on the line. Student 1 accepted the call. There's the bell. Artois with the kick to the gut to start this one off. Great maneuver to gain control. He's got that headlock cinched in. Student able to reverse out.
Student 1, Student 2. I'm so confused.
What is there to be confused about?
Is he Student 1? Do they do this switch? And I guess it doesn't matter. We'll find out if he's the new champion. You're damn right about that.
Did you never read Cat in the Hat as a child? I mean, there was a thing 1 and thing 2.
I like to know more information. Who is he trained by? What are his specialties? What can we look for here? It just seems out of nowhere. This gentleman with a house of fire, or kid, or young man appears. It's a mystery.
So I will give him this. He's got gall answering this open challenge here from Auguste Artois.
Auguste Artois says, listen, it doesn't matter to me. Give one of these kids in the back an opportunity, a chance of winning the IWN championship, Auguste Artois is still a little bitter, the way he won the championship from the franchise Shane Douglas at our event past, and Shane, the inaugural champion of the company, you would think once he became champion, he would let that go. But he still has issue with the franchise Shane Douglas. He's kind of obsessed with this situation, and he calls himself a veteran. He's been around for, 13 months? It's a little over a year.
That's definitely veteran status.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, look at this guy.
I don't know what to say. Auguste Artois with a knee to the neck.
You say that he's a great champion. That's what you say.
He is proving himself. No doubt about that.
Now, what I want to know is, why did he call out Shoot Taylor in specific for this challenge?
Well, Shoot Taylor and Auguste Artois had a bit of a stare down. Previous episodes of the IWN program. I know when they cross paths in the building, in the locker room area, out in the parking lot, they don't speak to each other. These two. What will happen when they finally have a sanctioned match here? Shoot Taylor and Auguste Artois for the championship. What will happen?
I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. Auguste Artois will retain. Just like
That's it.
that.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of the bout, and still,
Wait a minute. Scotty Bullwinkle, CT Keys.
more questions. What is going on? Who are these guys in black?
You got CT Keys stomping down the student. I'm not sure of this guy, but they're being led by Bullwinkle.
Whoa! Pure pandemonium here at the IWN.
And Artois doing the smart thing, getting out of the way.
The student left to take a beating here on the program.
What do their shirts say?
Wait, no, this guy looks awful.